1 bar of chocolate is for you, Teacher Molly. And 1 bar of chocolate is for you as well, Teacher Aya.
Wow! Thank you, Will. I love chocolates.
Oh, hi there, kids! Will gave Molly and I a bar of chocolate each. Do you also like chocolates? I do too.
If Will has 5 chocolates and gives 1 to me and 1 to Aya, how many chocolates does he have left?
Oh, this calls for another mathematics class. Come on, everybody. Let's learn subtraction.
Yup, since you all did well last time when we taught addition, we can now proceed to subtraction. But what do we mean by subtraction, Teacher Molly?
Subtraction is taking one number away from another number. This is sort of like what Will did earlier. 5 chocolates minus 2 chocolates equals what?
This is how we do subtraction. Let's first illustrate 5 chocolates. Then we deduct 2 chocolates from these 5. Now, how many chocolates do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 chocolates left. So 5 minus 2 is 3.
What about 8 minus 6? Let's solve it. So let's say we have 8 pencils minus 6 pencils. How many pencils do we have left? Let's count. 1, 2. So 8 minus 6 equals 2.
Therefore, in subtraction, we deduct numbers and only count what is left. Can you try to solve it yourself this time? What is 7 minus 4? That's correct. 7 minus 4 is 3.
Great job, kids. You all really learn it so quickly. Make sure to stay tuned for our next episode, and we will practice more activities.
Bye for now.